Hello guys, today in this video I gonna show you how to run Blurt Blockchain front end on your local host. Okay guys, let's start. Okay, first you need an Ubuntu operating system for run Blurt Blockchain front end. Okay, first of all open the terminal. Now update your machine. Type sudo apt update and press enter. Type your user password and press enter. After successfully update, clear the terminal. Now upgrade your machine. Type sudo apt upgrade and press enter. Okay, after successfully completed, clear the terminal. Now type the following command from the description and press enter. It will update the time zone. Okay, now we have to install screen and git. Type sudo apt hyphen get install screen git and press enter. You can see screen and git already installed in my machine. Now clear the terminal. Okay, now I will clone bullet condenser. Type git clone and paste the link from the description and press enter. Okay, clear the terminal. Now go to condenser directory. Type ls and press enter to list all files. Here is the condenser. Now type cd condenser and press enter. Okay, now make a temporary directory. Type mkdir temp and press enter. Okay, now paste the following command from the description and press enter. Here I am getting an error. Curl not found. Okay, now we have to install curl tool. Type sudo apt install curl and press enter. Okay, after successfully installed, clear the terminal and paste the following command from the description and press enter. Okay, now we have to install nvm. Type base install underscore nvm dot sh and press enter. Alright, clear the terminal. Now type the following command from the description and press enter. Okay, now type nvm ls hyphen remote and press enter. Okay, now we have to install node.js. Type nvm install 14.7.0 and press enter. Okay, after successfully installed, now type npm use 14.7.0 and press enter. Okay, clear the terminal. Now we have to install IP tables. Type sudo apt-get install IP tables and press enter. Okay, after successfully installed, clear the terminal. Now we have to install yarn. Type npm install -z yarn and press enter. Okay, clear the terminal. Now type the following command from the description and press enter. Okay, clear the terminal. Now type yarn install and press enter. It will download and install all packages and tools, and it will take little bit longer depend on your internet speed. Okay, clear the terminal. Now boot the production. Type yarn run build and press enter. It will take a few minutes depend on your internet speed. Alright, clear the terminal. Now run the production. Type yarn run production and press enter. Alright, now open any browser and open localhost port 8080. Alright, now you can see Blurt Blockchain is successfully running on my local host, and now I can work anything here. Okay guys, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.